Hello everyone, I do hope you're well. Today I'm going to make some brooches and necklaces for Mother's Day. And these are actually going to be given to my mum and my partner's mum. So I've got some brooch settings here. Now these are 30 by 40 millimeters. They're a lovely Victorian style, made of alloy, with brooch backs. These are the same oval setting, same size. These are going to be made to necklaces. And I've got some cabochons. I've got some floral, and these have a bird cage. Very shabby chic, and has some glue. Now cabochons, I've done a video showing how to make cabochons, are basically a clear glass dome, and then you take your image, which can be a photo, you simply draw and then mark your circle, cut around with scissors, and then you use some Mod Podge. This is matte. Put it on top of the image and then very carefully place this, and then make sure there's no bubbles in the back and let it dry. And that is how you make a cabochon. So they come in all sorts of sizes and shapes, very, very tiny to huge ones. These are the largest that I actually sell. Again, all the supplies are available on my website, which I'll link below for you. I've got some glue, some super glue, and I have these lovely long necklace chains. These chains are 32 inches in length, but they hang, but it makes them hang around about your breast area. So that's the chains I'm going to be using. Just got some kitchen roll. So I'll do the brooches first of all. Add some glue to the back. Roll that around a little bit. Make sure I have this the right way. And then we pop in. And pop to one side. Same again for this one. Make sure you have your brooch the right way around. There we go. And that's that one. Same again for these. Again, these are inexpensive gifts to make, ideal for the beginner. That's that one. Make sure I've got this the right way. go. Now we have to put the lid on, and we have to let those dry. I'm going to give it about 5 minutes to dry, and then I'll get back to you. So these are the chains. These are the 32-inch chains. Just going to take another one. And just simply thread your chain through. There's that one. Here's this one. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It really helps just to get my videos out there, as I am quite a new channel. It's really appreciated, thank you. And there is that one. What a lovely gift to receive, even if I say so myself. I know they like this type of design, and that's all there is to it. So thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.